Alright, now let's take the phone back. The design of this phone, including the packaging, is exactly the same as before. As you can see, the name of this phone is also really long: Vivo X300 Pro WeChat Communication Full Netcom Simple White. That means it's the white version with 16 GB plus 1 GB, so the specs are pretty generous. After tearing it open, it's just like always, the packaging has a bit of a lychee skin texture, and when you touch it, it feels really coarse and grainy. This time, the accessories also include a really high-quality case. The camera placement is a bit more unique, and it comes with a 90-watt charger, the usual data cable, and a SIM ejector pin. Now for the main part, let's take a look at the phone itself. The first impression when you pick up the phone is that the overall weight is pretty moderate. The flat edges have a slight curve, just a little, but it feels nice to hold and doesn't dig into your hand. From the front, it looks great visually, the silver middle frame and the white back. You don't see many phones like this around these days. And then there's the camera module. It's really big. If you look at the telephoto lens, it actually seems even larger than the one on the X200 Ultra. After turning it on, you can see that the front has almost perfectly symmetrical bezels on all four sides, and the rounded corners are beautifully done. The overall frame looks really slim, feels pretty nice. As for the screen, it also comes with a 5K resolution, so the clarity is actually quite good. Even the top speaker and the rounded corners are crafted really nicely. This time, all the corners have been given a rounded arc treatment. Even though it looks pretty square, it actually feels great in the hand, no issues at all. And finally, once you put on the protective case and attach the lens, taking photos becomes super impressive. It really gives you a sense of greatness. And when you're shooting at a concert, you can see that the overall image quality is really sharp, actually even better than the X200U. Next, let's wait and see how its camera performs in our tests.